Hi, good morning, good morning. Hi, baby, buongiorno. Grabe. Say hi. Sobrang pagod na kami kagabi. We were supposed to meet a friend. Pero plakda na talaga. And along the way, nung pauwi kami ng from St. Mary Major, na kita pa namin yun. Actually, nag-KFC kami kasi eto, gustong matikman ng KFC at gutom na din. And while we were there, we were able to see mga CFC na naka-GlobalCon na polo. And so, ayun, chika-chika. And we found out na they are from CFC UK. And nagtanong ako kung saan. And sa Birmingham daw. Tapos nagda-loading sa Birmingham. Sino yung mga taga-Birmingham? Tapos nakaalis na sila. I mean, they went out of the store already. Tapos, naalala ko na Tito Pete. So, hinabol ko sila and I asked them. And apparently, magkakasama sila sa unit. Magkakakilala sila. So, we took photos and I took photos. And kakatuwa lang. Very small world. And while walking, nasa Termini kami. Nakita naman namin yung mga handmaids. So, yung mga handmaids na namit namin sa GlobalCon, chika-chika din. Yun, tanong kung saan galing. Kinento naman yung experience with the Pope. And, ayun, so nakakatawa. And speaking of experience with the Pope, we knew that he's gonna be at the St. John Lateran and the St. Mary Major. Kaso, medyo nadali yung mga schedule namin kasi gawa na sa Casal Gandolfo, na delay yung train namin. And we were able to manage to go to St. Mary Major pero hindi kami nakapasok. But then, it's a very great thing na tinipon nila yung mga tao, those na hindi nakapasok sa labas ng Basilica. And, ayun, he addressed the public, sa balcony. So, ayun, nakakatawa kasi we really had a good, great, wonderful view of him nasa taas. And, actually, yun, ulo niya lang nakikita, pero masyado siguro mababa yung platform. But after his address, yun, kumuway siya sa mga tao. We had a better glimpse of him. And it's so nice to be able to be surrounded with people chanting, Viva El Papa, and, sumisigaw na, I mean, hindi shout, like, exultate out of joy. And, ayun, nakakaiyak. Actually, the moments while waiting, ganon, in spite of the business of the street, nakaka-humble na we're able to be given that chance. And, yeah, it's reducing me to tears and silence lang talaga. And what's also very beautiful is that nakikita mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo that are also supporting the Pope. And, when they have that kind of support sa Santo Papa, sabi ko baka mga Katoliko lahat to, hopefully. And nakikita mo din yung mga tao, how much the moments also were affecting them. So, madami ako especially mga ladies na umiiyak, ganyan, teary-eyed. So, seeing these people, the hope in me awakened mas lalo. So, wow, grabe. Pilgrims of hope talaga. Pero, yun, nakakatawa the faith is still alive, and there is hope for the future. There is hope for the church. There is gonna be hope. And it's such a beautiful thing to be able to see that activated and alive in the everyday circumstances and the people around us. It's 6:13 to be exact. So, medyo na-late din kami nagising pero well-rested na kami. We're going to Trevi Fountain first kasi bukas na yun for sure. Medyo, I'm thinking madami ng mga tao. But then we're headed to the St. John Lateran and St. Mary Major this morning. Very packed in schedule, but I'm happy that they're open at 7 a.m. already. So, come on in and join us for the day 4 of our adventure. And we're here in Rome. So we're gonna head to Naples later on. But for now, let's go to the basilicas. Guys, ganito ka dito yung elevator dito. Hi, B.
Hi.
So, basically, size lang naman. Nagkasya kami. Kasya pag-isa, actually. So, kapag tumaglilid ako, eto na yun. Hindi ako makakalabas sa pinto. So, yung elevator dito daw, ay, the building is so old na nag-exist siya. Nag-exist, ni-build siya nung wala pang elevators. And then, ayun no, parang box lang siya. And then, they installed it later on nung naka-elevator na. So, ano daw, please bear with the size of the elevator daw. Yes! Abroad tayo.
Talaga? Yeah, hapon
Yun yung binili namin kahapon. Hi!
Punta lang sa St. John Lateran. Hello.
Grabe ka, B, sa akin.
I'm here. Kaya pala.
Oh, kaya pala mag-hi kayo.
Hello guys.
So, dito kami kaka-catch up lang sa Roma.
Kasi abroad tayo. Train. Train.
So, andito na kami guys. Andito na kami sa abroad. Hello dyan. Shout out sa aming mga kaibigan.
Mga families there. Hi.
Ito po yung nawawala. Missing found na po siya. Dito po siya nakita.
Ito po ako nagwawalis. Kumukuha ng mga coins. Parang yung
Lahat ng mga tinatapon nilang coins. Nako, kinukuha niya sa gabi. Kaya wag na kayo magtapon.
yan concentrating para makapag-stay. Matagal.
Situation of Trevi Fountain, 7 a.m. So, nakapasok ka, Dong?
Pag last Sunday.
Ay, sorry, sir. Hindi ako ano sa... Ito na po ang ating mga influencers. Ayun na po sila. Yeah, bawal ang mga ginagawa nila. Ayan. Ito po yung police. Alam niya na lahat ng rules.
Bida. Pero magkulit naman eh.
Hi, we're here at San Giovanni di Laterano. May di pa ba? St. John Lateran. Finally, so nandito si Santo Papa kahapon. And yun, hindi kami nakapunta. Dito may mass kahapon. But now, it's very special for me to come here kasi may pinapanood ako na series sa Formed and it's called Foretold. Dito siya. Dito yung setting. So, mamaya may makikita tayo mga sculptures on both sides. Yung mga scenes from New Testament at saka Old Testament. So, yung katuparan ng mga Old Testament to the New Testament. So, halika na. Andito si Ryan at saka ang aking asawa. So, we're going to do the Holy Door pilgrimage. So ito sa apat na main basilicas, no, where the Porta Santa are. So gagawin namin yun. So we will keep it solemn. Dalawa na lang. Okay. Our first holy door, ay well, maliban yung sa Qatar. So, tapos na kami dito sa St. John Lateran. That's it here. Tapos we're going to Santa Maria Maggiore, St. Mary Major. So, across lang dito sa San Giovanni, sa St. John Lateran, kung hindi nyo alam at dapat malaman nyo kasi it's a very beautiful opportunity. Dito din yung Holy Stairs or Scala Santa. So it is believed to be the actual stairs na nilakad ni Jesus, na ginamit, how do you call it, inakyat ni Jesus during his trials, no, papunta kay na Pontius Pilate. So, it's supposed to be in Jerusalem, pero dinala na siya dito.
Saan pa na sa akin yung bersado doon?
Kakagalang yun namin dito sa Scala Santa. Hindi na kami naka-video kasi hindi pwede mag-video at saka mag-photo. Which is totally understandable kasi it really deserves silence and contemplation as well. Hindi ko in-expect. Alam ko naluluhod and parang in-expect ko yung gravity ng discomfort. Pero expect na unexpected pala. Parang hindi sanay. Pero ayun, it's refreshing and it's humbling as well to be able to do that. So ngayon, we're going to our second holy door sa St. Mary. Naganda kami ng Uber kasi we're trying to save time. Stop over kami dito for breakfast, actually brunch. Bago kami mag-part ways, we're going to Naples. Si Ryan pupunta sa, saan kayo pupunta si Ryan? St. Peter's. Ayun, magwawalis.
Yes, guys.
Hi, Mayor.
Magwalis. Bro, P.
Ano message mo kay?
Send ayuda.
Ayuda daw.